Hi guys, it's me Princess and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's me Princess. Hi guys, it's me Princess and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Ay parating Philippines. Ang traffic, hindi siya umuusad. My gosh. Buti na lang yung pupunta namin mall. It's just walking distance actually. Pwede na maglakad-lakad. Kaya kung magta-taxi ka o mag-grab ka, ma-stuck ka lang sa traffic. Para siyang sa Pilipinas. So papasok kami dito sa Emporium. Papakita ko sa inyo ang loob ng Emporium Mall kung saan, like what I said yesterday, na puro branded yung shop. Yes, see, so traffic. So we're going in here because we're going to other mall. So this is this section is full of perfume. So any brand, any signature brand perfume they have. So we're going up. It's very nice. So I don't want to buy because I have still a lot of perfume though. Ay, hindi ko nagagamit. So paano yung gagamitin sa dami ng sa dami ng perfume, diba? So saan ako everyday nagpi-perfume ako, hindi. So aakit ko na ni Bibi. So magsha-shopping kami for pasalubong. It's the decoration. Yeah. So ito yung inside ng Emporium Mall. So nice. Glass. Just a decoration of glass. So nice. Yeah. So pag ano na modern Thai flavor. Like a coffee shop to. Yes. Like a coffee shop. So see, Fred Paris, Rimowa, mga luggages. So Bulgari, Tiffany. So pupunta kami dun sa kabila. So may connecting na bridge to. Pinakita ko yesterday. So Lori, ano siya, hindi siya crowded kasi nga, syempre mga signature yung nandito. So, yung mostly, siguro yung namimili dito yung may pera or reachable people. Yes. So, yan yung Fendi. Louis Vuitton. So, lalabas kami. Ang Cartier, Prada, Milano. So, lahat talaga ng branded. Ganda ng Prada. So, dito kami lalabas. Ang Louis Vuitton nasa kabila. So, lalabasin namin sa gilid ng Gucci. Pupunta kami dun sa big mall. Kasi lagi naman ako dito. Kapag-shopping na twice. Ang second time namin dito sa Bangkok. Dito rin ako nag-shopping. So, para maiba naman, baka naman may mga sale pa dun. Hindi ganun kamahal sa Emporium na mall. So, ayan ang Gucci. Ang Gucci. Ang gusto ko sa Gucci, sombrero lang. Pero, syempre hindi ka pumasok dito kahit hindi ka bibili. So, lalabas kami sa connecting. So, ayan yan Diyan na yung connecting sa kabila, yung quarter na mall. Ito naman yung Emporium. Yes. So, we're going to other side of mall. Yes. We're back in here. We're back. So we're going to the other mall.
Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never.
I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you enjoyed this vlog, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button beside this so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!